In this lesson, we introduced penetration testing system called Kali Linux. Kali Linux is an advanced penetration testing tool, first released March 13, 2013. It was rebuilt from the older Backtrack Linux, Backtrack 4, Backtrack 5 in the old days. It is developed and funded and maintained by Offensive Security firm. Currently, the release number is Kali 2007.1. It just come out not even a month, April 24, 2017. It is a Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at advanced penetration testing and security auditing. Their philosophy is free as beer and always will be. Basically, no cost. If you're using it, both the image and the ISO image you can download and the cloud image. It contains more than 600 information security tools for penetration testing and security research. It also provides function for computer forensics to collect evidence and do reverse engineering when you don't have the source code. Kali provides exciting hardware and cloud support and new set of tools, even though they haven't integrated in their current distribution. For example, they support the RTL AA12AU wireless card injections for those chipsets used in wireless router, and they can be perform code injection. It also provides streamlined support for CUDA GPU cracking software, such a technique such as a Hashcat pirate tool, utilize NVIDIA CPUs. And on the cloud side, AWS P2, Azure NC series GPU support, they all supported with this particular package. And even though OpenVAS vulnerability analysis 9 is not integrated in, but they can be downloaded and installed from the Kali repository. OpenVAS is a commonly used vulnerability scanners, similar to the Nexus we presented. AWS instance image is available for free, but require us to fill our phone with AWS. Currently allow to run and pro small T2 Nano, not allowed, I should say, on the small T2 Nano and T1 Micro instance. They are worried about resource utilizations, both network bandwidth and CPU. Here we show the 14 category of penetration testing and security auditing tool shown on the screen, desktop screen. When we click on the application menu, this is on the desktop of Kali Linux. The categories follow closely on the steps we discussed earlier on hacker methodologies a few lectures back. By clicking on the exploiting tool, which I think it's the fourth one or the fifth one, we see the list of 8 popular tools provided in that category. Metasploit framework is a tool for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target machine. It is well known for its anti-forensic and evasive tool to evade detection from the IDS or IPS. After exploit is launched successfully and established a connection with the victim, it even tried to encrypt the payload, typically it's longer, to avoid detection by the IDS. Armitage is a GUI interface, web-based interface for Metasploit. It's a GUI interface for Metasploit framework. From there, it makes it easier for you to organize the attack and launching attack. The second tool there is BEEF, XSS framework. BEEF stands for Browser Exploitation Framework. XSS stands for closed-site scripting. SQLmap is a powerful open source penetration testing tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting the SQL injection flow, and it can take over the database servers. Terminator is a Python smart meter, the power meter, for utility security testing framework, which allows the authorized individual, somehow they emphasize authorized here, to test smart meter for vulnerability, such as energy consumption, flow, network hijacking, and so on.